on the next one. This one I'm using, this is the jet black. I'm using really smaller. We're gonna using one petals right there. Making like a rose like the other one. We're making the petals a little bit, it's like pointed on the end, and this one we're gonna make it like a round, like a roses, or however you would like. I did so many different designs on the 40 gel, so let me know which one is your fave, because we have so many different designs that we are doing for past so many videos. So let me stop right here so you won't confuse. Let's do one at a time. From this one we'll do 3, so always getting like 3 beads, smaller beads. If you want your petal to be big, you get a little bit of more is 40 gel, and we'll stop right there, and we are going to kind of sculpting it out. So first thing first, so it looks like a triangle however you look on a different angle. So press on one petal first, press it down and spread it like on the side, left to the right, and then don't worry if you're getting a perfect or not. So let's move on the next one. Again, press right in the center, move it on the left and on the right, and let's go. Do another one, press it down and move it on to the left and to the right. So now you have a basic of the really cute, easy of a petal. So now you're going to like getting a little bit more perfect on the side. So if you see that I'm getting the flowers petals connect together, it looks like you are drawing a circle. Next one, you can mix any like element you want, the bows. Well, even now we have a bows. If you want to create your own bows, you can. You can create your own roses, you can. This is one of the easiest one to do. Okay, so now I was like, it's gonna be a basic step. So if you want to not worry about messing up, and then you're gonna flash cure this for like maybe about 20 seconds, 10 seconds. It's really quick. And then now we're gonna go ahead and getting the second layer. You can leave it alone like this. You don't have to go in the second layer as you like really like it, and you just want to leave it alone and put some crystal on. So we're going to the second layer, and the second layers will be in like the is going to be right in between the first layer petals of the 2 petals. And then we're going to the second. So again, I'm placing them between these 2 petals right here. This is I'm making a smaller one, but you can make a huge one, a bigger one. As I say, it's the best thing about this. You can definitely adjusting and control your petal, how big, how small you want. So I'm go ahead and do a second beads and second layer. Can you see clearly? It looks so beautiful in my hand for the jet black, but I'm not sure it's in your end. Looks cool and it's matte too. And I'm go ahead and do the same thing. Press down, press down. Sure, I really like this one though. Maybe we should put pink like a hot pink crystal on later. Press down. And press down. Okay, and then we can put the crystal on later. But we're gonna leave it there and we'll start drawing its others. And then get this ones. I'm gonna do it from here and then here. Okay, and I'm gonna continue to add beads on first, and then I will sculpting all at once. And don't worry if your beads is not going to be like really perfect, because you are going to sculpt it anyway. I might make another one and down here smaller. Make some one down right there and right here. Okay. Great. Okay, so I'm gonna start sculpting it. It looks like, oh, why is all a bunch of little beads? Okay, so the tips of the dual end brush is getting a little bit of the residue here, so I'm gonna just clean it. You don't need to get like solution alcohol to sculpting your, I just need to clean the tip of it, so then that way you won't have any of the residue in there. So I'm gonna go ahead. It's had the residue, so that's why it stick on. And using the tip of it, press down. And then press down. That's really cool and it's so easy. Press it, and then you don't have to manipulating it too much. Press down and let's go. Same thing with this. Just press down. And then let's go. Okay. And then also this one, we are going to do another half of the flowers. Press down, left, right. My God, this one is really cool. Even you can do the bows as well. And then add another one. This is the last one I put it on. That's it. And then you can flash gear. Just one of a simple one for us to start with the 40 gel. You can do the huge big one like I did it before too. However you would like. Okay, great. So I'm gonna here. And if you decide to get the crystal ones or the metal trim, you can definitely do it right away. Or you can do it after that. Okay. Flash here. Quick here. And then we'll put the condensed glue gels. And this nail is already done. It's super quick, simple, and easy. Oh, I can do the
Purple?
yeah, or pink too. Do you want a pink? Pink or purple looks good. The other pink. Wait, you want white?
No, you want
What looks
bright. Nice and bright.
pink or purple looks good too. Or white or purple doesn't matter. Or white looks good. So I put the condensed glue gel is the first step from a 3-step trifecta.
I think white is more cake. Oh, you know what? Do green.
Huh?
Green or purple.
Green? Why? You want different?
Well, you can drop one on it and you can see. But that green will stand really nicely after the black flower.
Okay. I think white or purple looks good too, like doing a black and white.
You can do black and white.
And then we're gonna do is the no wipe top coat right on the top. Can you grab like a lot of 3D flowers swatching there for us, please? Thank you. And floating the no wipe top coat right on the top. Let's see, white or pink. Let me voting. I love them both, but we're gonna
green, like
huh?
I think green will stand out really nicely from that one.
Green?
But yeah, pink or white. Why not?
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get 3 of this and then we're voting green. Maybe nobody vote. Nobody voted, I'll pick myself. But if anyone will vote, that'll be awesome. Just imagine it that you have to do with the customer, your clients. So the white, maybe green, maybe blue too. Blue?
Just do a rainbow.
Hold on, one more. So let me know what you are, what is gonna be like clear, but not hot pink.
That's too dark. Okay, too dark.
Color pink.
You don't have brown or pink.
It's okay. No pink. Pink already. Let's see. Let me see. I already have a condensed glue gel, no white top coat. But then after that, I'm going to show you how many designs that I've been doing it for you. So many different colors. But okay. This one, you have to see really close detail in person. It's really cool though. Like a little first right here. I want to do it really simple. So then just in case you are need to do a smaller one and the shorter nails, you shorter nails, you can chop up like these details and just do a really brows, you know, smaller size of your roses. Okay.
Right.
Nobody pick.
Huh?
Oh, good.
No.
Okay.
So no vote yet. So go ahead.
Okay. Hold on. Can you check to see if there's any comments asking what it is?
Yeah, so this is the 4D gel, and we're gonna put some crystal on top of it. And for any product you see that you use, you can find them on GlitzSuch.com. The link is pinned in the description, also in our bio.
That's what I'm gonna pick. But you can pick anything you want. Don't have to be limited of what you can do. Pink on pink. Or you can do white. It looks cute too. It's really simple. That's it. Here for 60 seconds.